everybody, my name is JulieB. I'm just gonna quick clean in my living room, and then let's see, tomorrow I'm working on the old craft room. I am not doing anything else but that because I got to get the shelves out of there because I'm doing something with those, and I got to figure out if I got white paint. I'll figure that one out too. Anyway, so hang on and we're gonna get this thing going. I gotta figure out somewhere to put y'all to hide. You know I drag y'all along with me.
Premium rate.
My videographer that she's just not all there when it comes to filming.
Limits like a tidal break. If I say the word, then it's already happening. Feeling so right. Got the whole world happening. No doubt, no fear. You can't hold me down. It's my time now, baby. Watch me take that hand. If I say the word, then it's already happening. Feeling so right.
There's an obvious end to this game we're playing. I say nothing, you say nothing, and nobody wins. I've been through this a million times, hoping that my heart would give me a sign. Feels like we're both keeping secrets tonight. Do you want me to stay or do you want me to go? There is someone for me and that someone should know. Always wanted to be completed by another person. An understanding that requires no translation. Here I am once again at your place, trying to figure out the meaning of the smile on your face. Feels like there's something we both want to say. Do you want me to stay or do you want me to go? There is someone for me and that someone should know. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. There's an obvious end to this game we're playing. I say nothing, you say nothing, and nobody wins. Do you want me to stay or do you want me to go? There is someone for me and that someone should know. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you. That someone is you.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I just surface cleaned like I told y'all. I didn't do any real dusting, I just feather dusted. So I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what I did. Hi, Mr. Bob. I broke it. This one and this one I made for $10 from Dollar Tree stuff. Okay, that's it guys. I hope this gives y'all some motivational inspiration. And we will talk to you at the next one.